Hello po, happy Saturday po sa inyong lahat. Rest muna tayo sa sit-down vlog. At it's Saturday afternoon po dito sa area namin. And since ang bahay po namin ay we live in a really nice location. We're downtown kung saan kami nakatira. And so I am just doing a quick walk dito po sa downtown namin. Maraming ganap. Merong car show. And I think my concert then tonight, and I believe there's still a farmer's market going on. So, pakita ko sa inyo ang aming downtown area. It's nice. We love it kasi may mga restaurants and coffee shops and bars kami na walking distance and bike ride away. So, super convenient. So, yeah, let's have fun. I show you our life or my life as a Filipina living here in Michigan, USA. Yan siya. It's very peaceful here. As in, ito lang yung sa area namin kung saan kami nakatira. Lots of trees. As you can see, it's very malinis. Malinis po, matahimik. Very safe. It's a place where kahit naiwan nyo po yung kotse nyo unlock, it will be fine. And ito na yung simula ng road closure. Papasok na tayo sa area kung nasaan yung mga nakapark na classic cars. So if you don't know, dito po sa Michigan, Detroit, Michigan, kung saan po nagsimula si Mr. Henry Ford ng kanyang car company. And if I'm not mistaken, yes, yung first mass-produced car na Model T ng Ford, yan po ang pinakaunang mass-produced car sa, if I'm not mistaken po, sa buong mundo. So, some other time, dadalhin po namin kayong mag-asawa sa Henry Ford Museum. But for now, I'll show you what we have here. And again, ang American culture, they're big on classic cars. Just like part ng culture nila is ang bang 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 or you know, pag-collect ng mga barel. For some reason, ito po ang aking favorite. Itong ganitong Impala SS. This is one of my favorite classic car. I think it's beautiful. Classic, oh. Ayan yung mga type ko. Ewan ko ba kung bakit. But I'm more drawn to these kind of design. Di ba sa atin sa Pilipinas pag may ganito? Pendong, kalbo. Actually, every Saturday po I work kasi I'm in the hair salon industry, so I need to be at work at least isang weekend. But at the moment, naka-summer staycation po kami, and it's just so nice na I can attend to these events na Saturday morning, afternoon siya naka-schedule. It's also nice to have these free events na hindi nyo kailangan gumastos. You can just walk around and enjoy, you know, looking at different classic cars. Ayan, at mukhang may live band. Isang stage po yan for the classic car events. Pero meron pa hong isang area na stage na nakaset up for tonight's concert. So, summertime in Michigan, guys. This is what it's all about. In a way, you can say, part ito ng simpleng buhay din namin dito abroad. In my case, dito sa Amerika. You work 4 or 5 days a week. On the weekend, you do your chores, linis, laba, grocery shopping. And pag summer, kung may mga ganitong events, you know, you go, you enjoy a little bit of it. And that's it. Simple joys, simple life. Stopping here at a coffee shop. Kape muna tayo. Coffee and dessert. Alright, mga kababayan, uwian na po muna. Ang maganda ho ay walking distance itong event na merong ganap dito sa downtown namin. It's really only a few blocks away. So, uwi muna po ako kasi ang init. I got cheese from the farmer's market. And I was gonna stay at that coffee shop. Pero it's packed, and then naisip ko, I have all sorts of food at home. And if anything, nagkikrave po ako ng halo-halo. So, uwi po muna ako para gumawa ng halo-halo. Time to make halo-halo na po. Ito pong machine na ito, nabili ko from Amazon. And then yung mga ingredients po sa Filipino store na lang. Bottled po lahat yan. Sa totoo lang po, iba po talaga ang lasa ng homemade na mga saging, munggo, nata de coco. Pero malayo po tayo sa Manila, kaya carry na. Okay na rin naman po ito. It did hit the spot and I enjoyed it, especially on a hot summer day like today. I hope na-enjoy niyo po today's vlog. Ganito lang po, buhay-buhay dito sa Amerika. You work for 5 days a week, take care of your household, cleaning, laundry, grocery shopping, and then whatever time you have left, hopefully you use it to enjoy life, to explore, and spend time with your loved ones. Thank you po for watching.